Hello and welcome back to the Satisfactory early access experimental build. My name is Gevar and I am in the middle of rearranging my factory. We have just built our new storage solution, and now we will be rebuilding all the smelters and all the constructors, and we'll connect them to those storage containers. So let's get started, and I think the first thing to do is to pre-build some walls. Do I have concrete? I have some. So let's create some walls, and since we've got 8 containers, I'm thinking about let's put some gates first. So this level over here is a walk-in level, so we don't want any belts to get in the way of us moving around. So above our heads there will be entry points for the belts to the containers, and those two will be for the first level and those two will be for the second level. In the middle we will put simple walls. So let's put some belts. So this is the first one. This is the first on the second floor. So we'll have everything nice and organized, and also with some easy access. And about the access, I think that we should have a way to get to the containers from the other way. So let's actually deconstruct these walls and move them just a little bit further away. We need some doorways here. So let's put it like that, and we'll put the walls around here. Let's make it like that, or maybe we should put those big gates instead. So no, let's put the simple doors. And I know it doesn't really matter for most of normal people, but I will like to rebuild this pathway so it will be nice and organized. And I think we will create some T-sections over here. So instead of having railings on the both sides of this path, we will have railings only on the one side. So it will be in here, like that. Or should I be doing the other No, I think I will be doing this the other way around. So I'll be doing this section here. The reason is the railings connect, and I don't really like those gaps in between. So also there is a line in the middle, and this will suggest I can walk through the wall, which is a nonsense. Let's try not to die. I like these ways with railings. The safety should be always first thing to consider. Now we should do some balcony to get to the next level, and I think those should fit just fine, or not. How should we do this? Firstly I should get over in here. And can I put some so they seem like they have to stick to the foundations. So let's try something like putting any foundation, like maybe here. And now will it fit over here? It won't. What we can do is to put this like that. And try and move the containers a little bit closer. But this will require us to deconstruct everything and put it back once again. Is it worth all the work? I think it is. So let's destroy this one. Let's put the railing like this. We will also need the way to get up there. So actually, can I deconstruct you? Put the crossing, put the railing like this, and make a ramp downstairs. Perfect. So now deconstruct all these things around here, all these belts. And put everything in the second row of containers. So all the biofuel should go here. Whoa. I need just another container if... So this one is full. This one is almost empty. So I think let's store everything over here. We are almost good. So let's take this concrete, take all, put everything over here, store all. Actually, let's sort, take all, store all and take back anything that is not wires. Okay. Take all, store every plate. And the second level, take all, store everything over here. This one, take all, put it right here. This is empty, and here we have nothing as well. So now let's deconstruct all the containers. Let's try to put them the way they will fit just fine. So we need to rotate them. Can it be any closer? Not really. So this is the closest we can get. Now we have access to all the containers from this place. I cannot do any pathway this way, so let's deconstruct this thing and put the turn. We might build a way around this. I could if I have any materials. So let's put the doorways over here. Will they fit? So I need some iron plates, but they will fit. So let's grab some. The iron plates should be over here, not here. Maybe take all of them. Let's build all the belts. Before we do this, let's take everything that is not fuel. Okay. Let's build doors. We need some rods, so let's take them. And should I leave access to the side of those? I wonder. Yeah, why not? I guess I will do this like that. Then I will make this, and there will be ramp over here, so we can get access from the other place. And now we need double-sided railings around here for safety. And let's put one more T-section, and let's put the corner here. It doesn't make any sense, so let's actually, since there is already no, let's make it a little bit longer, and now put the corner over here. So that way we have access to those containers. But maybe we should just put the walls and block them. I'm thinking about putting the walls just because I want this whole thing to be inside, not outside the building. On the other hand, I would like to have the access to this, so let's actually make walls around here. There are few rocks that go around should I do with this? I'm not really sure. I'll think about this later. So let's put the walls. And also there should be no walls over here. And I'm not sure about this place. Maybe I should just put the wall like this and then put the doors through here. Yeah, let's deconstruct those. Put the wall over here. I think I don't need corner railing around there, so let's put the wall like that. And we should be good here. There are no safety railings around here, but if you are walking on the containers, you should be careful anyway. So yeah, we have access to the containers. We have way to move around easily. So let's finally get to the, or not, I've decided also to cover this whole deposit with foundations, because I've learned that deposit cannot be depleted. So I really don't need that much of those. Okay. So this will be the size of my factory. I hope you like it this way. And now we do have concrete production over here, and there is our concrete deposit around there. So maybe let's start with making a clear way to get there. I think this is the natural way, so just put a ramp over here, but we won't be using this that much. I really would like to have this gate, but with this metal design. And now we might put, let's make the railings like this. Let's start climb up. a little bit more. And we should be good here. And let's finish with... Should we put the foundations around here? I would say no. Let's just make corner turn. Let's put one last, or maybe T section. Can I fit it? I cannot fit. That's just fine. So now let's put the safety walls around. So we need doors. We need doors here as well. We will be needing entry point for the belt over here. So let's just rebuild it. Can I snap them from here to there? Yeah, it works. Now we do have our concrete ready. Or maybe should I put the belt above over here like this? So that way we will have the clear path to walk around. Let's put it over here. Okay, let's continue building the walls. I'm thinking about putting some windows. Why not like this, to have a nice view. Okay, so I think I will put 2 more generators around here, since we will be needing biomass burners, and for them I will need some rods and wires, so let's get them. Also let's store some stuff. I have this and this, and I won't be needing any of those for sure. Actually, I might need some leaves. So let's sort. Is there anything useful? This is useful. This is useless. Yeah. So let's build some burners. One over here and one over here. And let's put them to the standby so they all are on the same page as far as the status goes. So we will have iron production over here. There are 2 deposits. I actually need only 1 of those, so just for visual thing, let's put this miner. I think like this. So we do have a miner over here. We need some smelters. We need copper smelter, we need iron smelter, and the idea is to keep them outside the factory. Which isn't the easiest task given the things that stay over here. We might be moving our main hub, but I would rather leave it this way. And so maybe we will put smelters right here. This is quite far away. But I don't see a reason why not do this. So let's put the smelters. That way that they will head to the factory. Maybe we should line them up with biomass burners. Should I put them here? Yeah, why not? This is first, and the second we don't have materials for, so we need more rods. There is no way in over here. The rods are upstairs. They should be here, yeah. We do have quite a lot of rods. We do have plates, so let's put another smelter over here. So now, this should be the iron smelter, since all the iron production goes through these windows. And we will turn our iron using constructors. So let's make this row over here as designated for our constructors. So this will be the constructor for iron rods, and we need also the constructor for iron plates. And we have put them other way around as usual. And this. So our constructors could produce iron plates and iron rods. So we will be needing splitter. I haven't centered them right way, so one second. Actually, let's put a splitter in front of this smelter. Like this. Where should be the entrance to our factory? I think this place over here should be the entrance. So let's make the wall like this. Missed. Now we are constructing plates over here, rods over there, and I think we should split them. The way logistics. I think the walls and foundations should be the one category, and logistics and organization, I think it doesn't make sense. So I would put them in the same place as foundations and walls. And this lookout, same goes for the ramps. So and the storage containers should go to the logistics, I think. So let's put the splitters over here. The one should go like this, and the second one should go over here. And we will be needing lift for the second floor. So half of the materials will go directly to the proper containers. So let's put any wall really over here. Let's put the foundation over there, and let's make a staircase for now. Like that. So I can reach this place, and I think the materials should go on this level to these belts. So let's put the. Are we in front of this? So let's put the double window over here, like this, to have the height just right. And some of the materials should go to the next level. So let's do this like this. So let me think a minute. Let me check which material should go where. Also, I think I'm going to rearrange them a little bit. So this is for copper wires, this is for the concrete, this is for the biofuel. And I think the copper wires should go here, and the concrete or biofuel should be over there. And this should be for the iron plates. Do I have any? Have I messed up? I think I have. So this is iron rods. So let's take them all out. And let's put them over here. Should take away those copper wires. They keep getting here, so I believe I just take them all out. Or should I put them back? Yeah, I should put them back for a minute, because I'll be moving concrete and this is pain. So let's put the plates in. so we will have a little bit more space. Let's take all the concrete we can fit. What's here? Nothing is here. So let's store all, take away everything that is not concrete. Store even more concrete over here. Actually, I like the idea of having all the building materials on the base level and other materials on the higher level, so I will switch them, take all, and take all the concrete, put all the concrete over here. Do I have? Yeah, I do have lots and lots of more concrete, so let's put it right here. Let's take all the remaining concrete from there. Now let's take all the wires from this storage and put them over here. Okay, so do we have everything nice? So iron plates, the rods shouldn't be here, the rods should be over here. Iron plates, iron rods, wires, concrete, biofuel, here should be cables, so let's move them from there above the wires. Actually, are we using cables for anything? Let's leave it right like that. And then we could have screws over here and reinforced plates over here. Yeah, so let's take some plates for the construction purposes and we should be good now. So now we need a belt. Let's get over there. We need the bolt from here, whoops, to there, and those will be iron plates. And we also need one from here to there, and those will be iron rods. So the belts should be quite easy, because we just need lift, or do we? Maybe it's... this is good enough. Can I use this one? Yeah. So, yeah, that's it, and we need to get our our iron to the iron place. Also, do I have space? Yeah, I do. Let's deconstruct this equipment workshop. I'll have to remember to put it back. Someday in the future. And let's make okay, so this was the easy part. The harder part will be to connect this smelter with copper. Or should I just build the smelter outside over here? Maybe it's a better idea. Yeah, I think so. So let's deconstruct this one. And we will be needing cables production. The cables should go over here. By cables I mean wires. So we will be needing the constructor. And we need cables and reinforced plates. So let's get some. So the plates should be here. And cables should be here. So I think let's finish So we don't need a splitter right now. For this wire, so let's just put this support pole over here, and we'll be putting our wires. We will be need splitters, so let's yeah, because we will need both wires and cables, so let's put a splitter. Like that. And let's put the belt from here over there. So this is our wires production. And we will need the smelter. So since this will be still inside the factory, what's happening here? Oh, this is the, yeah, the shadow was crazy. So let's put some more foundations over here. And we'll put the smelter somewhere around here. Maybe just like that. Is it good? I would prefer to move it backwards a little. So let's again put a smelter. Like this. Yeah. Put the belt over here. Put the entrance point over here. Like this. Like that. It should be good right now. So I think I'll put a cut in this video. As I said earlier, I will be leaving for the next week, so I pre-record some stuff. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.